It's Saturday afternoon, the weekend here, and wanted to just get in a weekend video on what's going on with the markets. Quite interestingly, it looks like we've been having a little bit of a breakout here on Saturday with things like Ethereum. Ethereum has broken out of a 1,323-day old high. So we haven't been this high on Ethereum since about 1,323 days ago. So we are in full breakout mode for Ethereum. Obviously, we want to get back over 4,886 roughly. And then I believe our next target on Ethereum is going to be around $7,600. I do have a small trade on Ethereum. So, yeah, hopefully that'll play out. Also, Link is looking very strong. We have some Link Marines that have been hopping on some of our spaces at night. And listen, I think a lot of coins are going to win here in this cycle, and I think Link is one of those. I would look for targets on Link at least in the, let's see here. I would at least say Link would get to $100 here in this cycle, so an easy 5x, maybe more. Excuse me. So that's Link. Let's see, Fartcoin. I still have my same view on Fartcoin that we're going up here to around the $5 region. And yeah, several other tokens are looking good. Hold on one second, I might have to cough. Sorry about that. So yeah, coming back here to XRP, it looks like Bitcoin's just kind of ranging here. I think it's found a bottom, and we're just waiting for the breakout move on Bitcoin to take us up into that 170 region. So that's looking good. XRP is the one I really want to focus on. As we come in here, we came up to the internal retrace of the 702 level, and of course we found resistance there for what I believe is our larger wave 4. This was wave 1, this is 2. Here, let me draw this. This was your wave 1 coming off the bottom at 273. This was wave 2, the retest of 291. This was wave 3, and this, I believe, is a wave 4. It looks to be a little bit more of a complex correction than the simple 2. Typically in Elliott wave, the wave 2 will either be simple or complex, followed by the wave 4 being the opposite of that. So it looks like we're putting in a little bit more of a complex correction here with wave 4 here. But I would say that we're pretty close to the bottom of wave 4, and then we should start our wave 5. I'm looking for wave 5 to take us up into this $4.20 area, and the reason for that is that on the larger scale, on the larger degree here chart, that would be the 1-272 bull trigger of this entire measured move over the last 8 months, and the channel. The channel, you might say, what is a channel? It's kind of a channel that the price has been working through, and the 1-272 sits at around 416, 420. So I believe that's where wave 5 will come. We could then have a shallow wave 2 pullback, and then we take off for wave 3, 4, and then 5. I think we're going to at least hit low 2 digits before the end of the year on this token. Either we hit it before the middle of September, or we hit maybe $8 middle of September, and then maybe have a 30-day pullback, maybe less than that. And then we'll have a blow off into the end of the year. November, December, we'll go up into that $11, $14 range. So that's what I'm thinking. At least that's what I'm thinking today. Check back in tomorrow, and I might give you a different update. But yeah, just wanted to hop in here for a quick update over the weekend. Things are looking great. No worries about any invalidations. Ethereum is the biggie. That's the one we really wanted to see break out. This tells us we're going into hopefully what is a full alt season. If you come down here to total 3, you can see that actually we've not broken out here on total 3 as of yet, but with Ethereum breaking out and with everything else looking bullish, I think we're looking really, really good for at least a move on our altcoin market to the 2.61 trillion range. We could go higher than that. We'll just have to see as we go here. But yeah, those are my thoughts here currently on the overall market. I do want to mention a couple of things. Not only do I trade, but I'm also a validator on the XRPL. And I have put out recently here a report on why I've voted yay on the amendments. So, yeah, I just want you to take a look at that. You can follow me on Twitter at SugarXRPL, and you can find the link for that. I'll drop the link here in the YouTube description as well. And also, I put out a rebuttal here a few days ago to a gentleman who, for some reason, really doesn't like me, and that's fine. Very condescending, but anyway, he has different views than I would on the XRPL as far as who should be running what kind of hardware there should be. So, yeah, just wanted to share that with you as well. I'll put that in the links as well. It kind of shares my concerns about his views. And so hopefully that will be of assistance to you as you kind of weigh the different ways that people can get involved and become a validator on the XRPL. So yeah, just a couple of thoughts there. And it looks like I'm getting a phone call, so I'm going to have to let you go. But I hope everyone has a great weekend. And I'll touch base with you again, hopefully on Monday morning. Take care.